Alright, so here I have some editing going on and I'll quickly show you this animation. So it's quite a simple animation, but what I want you to show is this text. So here is this text node. Alright, so you can see the text now and what happens when we add the preset. So the preset is called bevel, and as soon as I add it, you can see the difference. It pops up. So you have now the animation looks like this. Alright, and if you were to remove this preset, like if I disable it, so the text looks like this, and then when we enable it, it just pops out very well. And now in order to install it, go ahead and open this effects panel and then right click on the edit section right here and select show folder. And now from here, click on this fusion, and then from here you will find macros folder and you're gonna paste it here. So here you can see it's already pasted, the bevel right here. So if I can, so you can grab it here in the timeline and you can see it works. And also by pressing Ctrl space, you can find it in the default nodes as well.